What's going on, y'all? So as you can see, this is a letter from Bridges and Tunnels MTA, and I got this in the mail yesterday. And before I even begin, I want y'all to the last time I spoke about bridges and tunnels, I made a video about bridges and tunnels. The video was titled Terrell Taylor against New York State Department of Motor Vehicles. It was posted January 11th, 2026, 4 months ago. And I speak on that because I was showing y'all the first notice I got from MTA Bridges and Tunnels, right? And I was showing y'all the dispute on the back of the notice or whatever. And I was telling y'all that the address at the bottom was wrong. This is a different address though. But I'm just saying, if you commit fraud one time, then why you're not committing it again? You feel what I'm saying? You're not credible. And that's what I'm getting at here. So if y'all go to that video 4 months ago, January 11, 2026, me against New York State Department of Motor Vehicles, it was just a it was a regular video. It wasn't no court appearance. And the dispute address they gave me didn't exist. You feel what I'm saying? And this is happening all over again. They expect for me to, I'm gonna dispute this though. But so here you can see that they saying they hereby revoke the right to have my vehicle cross the Bronx, all of these expressways, parkways, and bridges and stuff. You feel what I'm saying? They banning me from doing that. And then it says your vehicle are excluded from bridges and tunnels for failing to pay tolls and fees in violation of Public Authority Law 553. Now, when you pull that up, we already know that they misapply laws all the time. But what I also want to tell y'all is, a lot of times when they cite these laws, which I told y'all in the past, they have to say what subsection it's under, what subsection that you violated. Sometimes they could just cite the law itself, but it depends on, when you pull it up. If you see that that under 553 you see that it's different sections, then that means that there was no section specified, and a section has to be specified. A subdivision has to be specified. If you see different ones, you don't know which one they're referring to. That's my point. And then these two right here, I think those are valid or whatever, but this, you got to specify. And I think you got to specify in this too. You feel what I'm saying? That's how you know this is a bunch of bull. But, and it also shows that my car was booted in, well, not even, I don't owe no tolls. I'm going to holler, y'all. A bunch of bull.